Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We are on Ardolis at the pirate base, and we are trying to find Pierre. Oh, so there's a treasure hunt. That's a side quest. We might do that while we're here. Need side quests. Side quests are good. And so far, I haven't found any collectibles yet. I haven't run across anything yet. But there's still a lot of stuff here. So we're trying to rescue Pierre. Alright. So what do we got hooked up here? We got the executor. I don't have any ammo from my frost blades or my other blade for the deep buzz blades. So well, I guess we could maybe use the warmonger. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with the ricochet. Or let's do this one here. That'll help out. I mean, I don't need to level it up, but I don't have enough ammo for everything else there. Okay, well, where are we going to here? Let's find out.
There, Pierre, straight ahead.
There's some warmonger ammo. What's that? Enemy? No, it's not. It doesn't show up red.
Not so fast, ye meddling trespasser!
Uh-oh.
And I'll never go swimming again.
Okay, that was interesting. So there's something in the water. Alright, so what do I gotta do here? I guess I gotta zoom over there into the arena and do battle. Okay, let's just do it.
That ship had to go boom on Molonov. One could even say it destroyed itself.
Oh, bubbles!
Bubbles.
If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be.
Intruders! You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
So I guess I gotta kill this thing.
Hey, that little robot in her! Protégé! What are you two doing here?
I'm not hurt. We're rescuing you. We need your help to speak to Captain Quantum. He's in grave...
Oh, there's Berserker.
Pirates flying in. On it. Thanks, pal.
Let's get my buddies out there too.
That thing packed a punch!
That's a lot of bolts. Out of ammo. We get them all?
Merci! Merci! Now swing me onto the dock and get me away from this beast!
Where do we do that at? Right here?
Normally I would not have enemies, but you did save my life, and I am Pierre Leferre, gentleman extraordinaire. If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the pirate trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as Grog, and how all pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trials there, you will find...
Oh, more trials, huh? Okay. Can I get on that ladder? Yeah, there's something up there maybe. I still have to get on that ladder. How do I do that, I wonder? Oh, my little guys are trying to help me. Oh, I was close. Come on, you can get it. Do it. No, I can't get it. Anyway, that's not going to get me on top of this. How do I get up there? I got no way to get up there.
What about you?
Ah, please. I think I can handle myself from here. You two, head to Skull Mountain.
Skull Mountain. Okay. So where is that Raritanium at? That's on the map. Oh, my guys just bit it. There's some Raritanium here somewhere. It's not down below, is it? Because I think that's death.
That is not the way to Skull Mountain, but
I'm looking around right at the moment. Oh, unless there's some over here by Mrs. Ergon. No. I need the Raritanium so I can upgrade stuff. Where is it? Oh, is there a Krieger bear here? I don't see one. I think the Raritanium's on top of something up here and I can't find it. But actually, there's no way to get up there. Oh wow, there's the little vortex thingy, whatever they call those again. What do they call those? The pocket dimension. There's a pocket dimension and there's also some Raritanium down there. So there's some Raritanium. How do I get down there? And the better question is, how do I get back if I get down there? Maybe I can get back with the pocket of this. Yes. I guess I could just fly down there, huh? Alright, let's get the Enforcer out. We already got the Executor. The Executor.
Why does everything want to kill me all the time?
Out of ammo. Running out of ammo fast here, aren't we? The collider. Let's not use the collider. Let's just use this.
That was very nicely handled, Ratchet.
Hey, thanks, dude.
Thanks, buddy. I missed having you along for stuff like this.
Alright, one more crate. Wasn't there? Yeah, there it is. Give me that. Give me those bolts. I don't think we're not going to do this pocket dimension. I just want to see what's in there. I want Raritanium. That's... We got 3. That's pretty good. That covers... Uh-oh. I guess that's how I get back down, or back up. Oh, okay. Well, let's, will it come back down for me? Probably not now. Let's see. Okay, it does. That's how you get back up. Alright, let's see what's in here.
Did these Versa targets all get sucked in from the same place? Or did they come from different, ow, my brain's already hurting.
Is that all I have to do is just use the slingshot thingy? That sounds too easy. I'm sorry, but it just sounds too easy. Yeah, I knew it was gonna be too easy. Yeah, I knew it was gonna be too easy. Okay. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Now what did I get? I got some boots. Captain Starshield boots. Let's look at those real quick. Captain Starshield. Means I have a whole other set now. This is 20% XP gained. We're doing pretty good on the armor. Alright, let's grab all this stuff. Don't fall off. Okay, and how do we get back? I guess we go back this way, huh? Right? Grab it? How do we get back? Oh, over there. What's that? Is that where I want to go? Kind of looks like it, huh? Oh, what the hell? Now we can just go this way, can't we? Let's just go this way. Okay, alright, so we did that one. That wasn't too bad. I didn't want to do it. I wasn't planning on doing it, but we did it. Alright, now. Where is the other Raritanium at? There's some right over here somewhere, and I can't find it. So we have two sets of armor in here, so two armor things. So there's something over here too that we didn't get. Alright, let's grab the elevator going up. Is it coming down? Did it come down yet? Or is it, it's down now, isn't it? Okay, alright, let's do it. I'm glad they figured this out. Man, I left all that money out there. Hold on, wait a minute, dude. You can't leave all this out here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I got a little close to that one. It's alright, we'll get some health somewhere. Alright, so this is the third time this guy's come down for me now, so I'm better write it up, so. Where would the Raritanium be? There's some health. Thank you, game. Yeah, we got that. That was interesting. Really? That must have been a home run swing, man. That was pretty good. Now we have 34,000 volts now. Good. It doesn't take long once you start playing the game again, huh? Alright, we're back up again. How did I fall off of there? Something must have gave out from underneath me. I didn't see it. Give out. Let's see. We had the... Alright, so... Raritanium. I can't get back. Oh, I didn't... Hey, I haven't finished this area yet. Okay. That's Mr. Zircon. Where is that Raritanium at over there? That's kind of weird. It seems like it's right next to her. Is it on the ship over there? I wonder if it's on that ship. Nope, that's where the side quest is. Seems like it's right here, right? Nope, it's on the other side. It's over here. It's like right here somewhere, and I don't know where. There is no way. There's nothing down there, is there? The camera won't show me anything that's down there. And I guess it could be up above me at some point, like there. Oh, it is up there. Oh, here we go. Okay. There we go. I knew it was up on top of something, just didn't know how to get up there. Alright. And we are supposed to, I can go over here by the ship, or I can go this way. We go over by the ship. How's my ammo holding out? We should just fill up while we're here by Miss Zerky.
Feeling more precise than spray and pray?
Oh, she's got a
Get the
nice,
headhunter for stellar shooting.
nice sniper rifle, huh?
Don't you just hate when your enemies are hiding off in the distance? Well, stop hating and start aiming with the headhunter! Pull the aim trigger halfway to get in real close. Pull it fully to slow down. And pull the
That's a pretty good weapon, too.
move your enemy's heads
I don't know.
from their
With all these mob scenes, you never really have a chance to use that. That's crazy. What else you got? You got the bombardier.
Go ahead, Shug. That is a great deal.
And what's the bombardier again? I think that was another one I wanted to get.
Oh, please, someone help! There are so many enemies! Have no fear! Little Zircon has the Bombardier! Rain disaster on your enemies with merely a pull of your fire trigger.
Okay, that's pretty
The
cool too.
Bombardier will soar over the battlefield and...
He's crazy, man. That cost me 25,000. Huh? I have the void repulsor. Let's get some health first. Let me get some ammo and health. Let's do that.
You will
Fill
make
up.
a lot of holes with those, hun.
This is the one I really want, the black hole storm. I may wait. I really want that weapon. The bombardier, the headhunter, we'll just hold off for now. Wait a minute. What about upgrades? What are we doing here? We have 9. I can upgrade the Buzzblade. Glove of Doom is at level 4. Let's look at what the what's this down here? What does this do? Increase ammo picked up from crates. Can I increase my ammo size? This increases max ammo. Can do a lot of that. Or the Warmonger. Did I level that up again? I did not. I don't know what level that is. It's pretty close to being leveled up. This is area of effect. And we can do direct hits do more damage. Let's do this one. Let's do these. We'll do that. And we can do another area of effect. Sure, why not? And then shots fire at a higher rate. Okay. Cold snap. What do we got for this one? What's this do? Increase maximum ammo by 1. Enemies encased in ice take additional damage. What's this do? Increases the duration of the freeze effect. Okay, that's good. Increases max ammo. Okay, and what does this do? Frozen enemies drop more bolts. The lightning strike. That's a level 5 now. What do we got here? What's this? Charge shots stun faster. I don't think I've ever used charge shots, so I'm not sure about that. Increased stun duration. That's probably a good thing to have. Let's do increased stun duration for now. Okay. Alright, we're good for now. Thank you. So let's go this way. Should we do the bombardier? Let's try the Buzzblades again. That ain't what I wanted to do. Wrong button, dumbass. I should try it again.
What about you?
Ah, please. I think that is not the way to Skull Mountain, but... This is a pirate
thought this was where the... Oh, now it's over here. Uh-oh. Man, they got a lot of elevators in this place. Where am I going? Going over there, huh? I can't get over there over here, though. Guess I can. Well... Let's see, we gotta go to Skull Mountain, or we can do the treasure hunt. Find out what the pirates are hiding in the tavern. So is that the tavern? The tavern's over there. Alright, let's do the Warmonger then, since we're going over there. Let's go over there and see what's going on.
Stop them before they reach the bar! Last chance to turn back! I be warning ye!
That's a great weapon. How much ammo does that thing have? It doesn't seem to have a lot, does it? Huh? 8. It's not too bad. So, that's all the guys that were here? Now there's more guys in the bar. Were they dancing? Okay, that's pretty funny. Let's get my little guys ready. They're down at the bottom, okay?
Turn it up! It's not every day you find the booty to end all booty!
Find out what the pirates are hiding in the tavern. Disco.
Nice day to fish.
Okay, so they're not aggroed against me. So, is that the secret? They're just hiding a discotheque in here? Uh-oh.
But ye will never steal our booty! Rightfully stolen from Molinoff with it! Wicked
Alright, here we go.
Man, that booty must be pretty spectacular if there are this many pirates guarding it.
Yeah, this is my new favorite weapon. Too bad it doesn't have a lot of ammo. Alright, what am I supposed to find? Oh, that goes... Oh, wait. Oh, I can go up. It's coming down.
I'm not seeing any booty here.
Perhaps there is something we are missing.
Yeah, there's an elevator going up. Let's make sure we get all the bolts first. Still got my guys? Yeah, there they are, man. The Rat Pack. So I'm locked in here. I can't get out, right? Okay, so they locked me in, so I gotta go up the elevator. How much ammo do I got left? Only got 1. Let's move something else. Let's go over here then. This doesn't seem to be doing too good. I don't know. It doesn't seem to be doing a lot of good here.
Plunder's been scarce lately. Hope we find an easy mark soon. How did they get past them?
should be interesting to see what's in there. It's the first treasure chest I've seen. What's gonna happen now? Is that a sucker play right there? What weapon do we want? Let's go with the executor at this point, see what happens. Huh, what's that? Claymore.
A Map-O-Matic? Sweet.
Nice.
Hey, there's a teleporter.
Where's that go to, though? Warp Plunder Marketplace. Okay, let's go. Nice. So now, the map... Oh, we know where everything's at now. Okay. Nice. What's this? Where does this warp to? It must warp back to my ship, huh? Alright, we're going this way then, I guess, huh?
I got this. Do not worry.
Wait a minute, here's another warp. Where does this go to? That goes to the ship. So I got one here that goes here. And there, didn't I just warp in over here?
Do you need help finding Skull Mountain? I
No.
thought it was pretty obvious.
Where's the skull? Skull Mountain? Let's see. Okay, so I want to go this way, I guess, huh? That's what you're pointing me to, this direction here. And there's some raritanium out there somewhere. Health? Do I need health? There's some ammo, though. Is there a tether here? There's no tether there. So I guess I would just warp from there to there. Okay. There's a warp over here too. Then there's what's that? That's armor. So we got some armor over there. Spybot. Where's Spybot at? Spybot's out here. And there's a bolt out in the middle of the frickin' water. Seriously? We got two bolts. We got one in the middle of the water. And where's the other one at? It's out on this island. It's out over here, isn't it? No. That's not a bolt there, is it? Oh, that looks like a speedle. Is that a speedle nest? It is a speedle nest. That's the robot. Where's the other bolt? I don't see it. Got that bolt. Oh, there it is. It's over there. Okay. Alright, well, let's see. See, do I want any more ammo? Let's see. I need some Warmonger ammo. And another Shatter Blast. Mr. Fungi's good. I haven't used my Ratchet. Let's go get some more ammo first before we go anywhere. I don't know where we're going. If we need to go that way, I don't know which way we're supposed to go. We'll do it. Check it out in a second. Let's go get some more ammo.
Let Miss Zircon make you a deal.
Yeah, well, it's not much.
Make sure to tell your friends now.
Where are we going? Okay, so we're going that way. Not that way. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to call it a video right here. And then we'll head to Skull Mountain. See what's going on over there. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.